Run Embed and choose Edit Mode. Click File menu and choose Open Command to open a file. Type in the same stitch number into both initial stitch and ending stitch boxes located in the main toolbar at the top of the editor window. In this example, we have localized the stitch number 1000. Move the mouse pointer to any of the color boxes at the right side of the screen and click the right mouse button. A pop-up menu will appear on the screen. Choose Hide All Colors command from this menu. All colors will be hidden. Only the selection remains visible. In our example, only the stitch number 1000 is selected. Therefore, all stitches below and over 1000 will be hidden. Only the stitch number 1000 is visible. Choose Edit Stitch Type menu to change the type of selected stitch. Finally, click OK button.